Tonian, stand up properly now. Must stand up properly. Stand tall, open your chest. Chin up. Not your eye. Look at me, but raise your chin. Good. Open your chest. Relax. Take a breath. Good. Stop. Relax your hand, Tony. Relax. Right, now walk and give me a turn. Tony, relax. Turn around, casual. Good. Walk to the wall and come back to me. Tony, think sexy. Think Kareem. You try to get the man attention. But now for the not forget Kareem attention. Well, you have to do something to get that man your attention. More you do some things with your eyes. More you do some things with your mouth. You know, making your body language must say, I want you. Tony, that's not how you take the ear out of your face. Use your finger. Something sexy, you know what I mean? You're gonna need some more training. No, not some. A whole heap of training. Alright, you're going to give me a sexy walk now. Remember, body language, chest up, chin up, right back a little bit. Right, so ready? Hand on the side and walk to the middle.
Hey boy, don't move. Brother, what you really are doing? Take that out of my face now. But say identify yourself. Because I know who run the shop and I know you. Take that out of my face now. Identify yourself. Mr. Wally, ease yourself. Where you going from? You're calling me. Whoa. Calm down. Relax. Ease with me. Relax. What the? Oh, what just happened? Relax, Tony.
Oh, hi. Hold on. Your face looks familiar. Have we met before?
Well, maybe. Cotton is the same young lady that stay with me.
Really? Oh, the thickers. I recognize the hips, the thickers. But I didn't realize she was this beautiful. Yes, I know, but she young. Still, that's something from compliment her. I like the hair. Oh, Bubbles. Can we talk outside?
We're not far.